नवीन वस्तूंबद्दलची चर्चा. आपल्या मित्राच्या हातात एखादी नाविन्यपूर्ण गोष्ट दिसली तर आपण चौकशी करतोच ना. बहुतेक माझ्या मित्राच्या हातात एक नवीन मोबाईल आहे. विचारूया का? नेहा आणि मोनाच्या नवीन मोबाईलबद्दल चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hi Mona, where were you yesterday? My aunt came from the US. I was busy with her for the day. Oh wow, a new cell phone. Yeah, my aunt brought this for me from the US. What's the model? Nokia 9955. Ooh, you got the latest one. Yeah, you know I was about to buy a new phone. Luckily, my aunt brought one for me. What are the features? It has 3 megapixel camera with built-in flash, MP4 player, FM. Does it have Bluetooth? Yes. It also has infrared. And how much memory does it have? It has 8 GB memory and touch panel operations. Do you have any songs? Can I listen to them? How's the sound quality? It's great. Try it yourself. God, you are so lucky. Yes. Now I can buy a digital camera from the money I saved. Inform me too. Even I'm planning to buy a new cell phone. Okay. Hey, it's time for our next class. We have to reach there in time. Yeah, we better hurry up. Okay.
विमा पॉलिसी. आजकाल जीवन विमा ही एक आवश्यक गोष्ट आहे. चला तर विम्याबद्दल चौकशी करू. सागरचा मित्र करण एक विमा एजंट आहे. जुना हप्ता व नवीन पॉलिसीबाबत सागर करण बरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Hey Karan, long time, huh?
Yeah, I was busy with business. I have to travel a lot for this insurance business. Hey, you have to pay your premium this month.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Can I give you the check now?
Yes, sure. There are some good money back policies. I think you should go for one.
Thanks. I was just planning for one. I have to invest for tax savings. So tell me about some new policies.
I can suggest one for your newborn daughter. This one will give excellent returns. It will mature in 20 years. Perfect time when you will need money for her education or marriage. And the life insurance benefits are also there.
What's the premium?
It depends on the policy value.
When do I pay the premium?
You can pay yearly, half yearly, or quarterly. It depends on you.
I think yearly payment will be better.
So, when shall I come to complete the formalities?
Are you free next Monday?
Okay, I will come on Monday. But before that, I will SMS you the premium amount so that you can keep the check ready.
Tell me if you need any other papers.
No. Still, I will inquire and let you know before Monday. Okay, now I have to leave. I have some appointments close by. See you on Monday.
Okay then, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.
विमा भरपाई. एखादा अपघात होऊन आपल्याला इस्पितळात जावे लागले तर विमा कंपनीकडून पैसे मिळतात. चला तर पाहूया असंच एक संभाषण. सागर आत्ताच रुग्णालयातून परत आला आहे. त्याला आपल्या आरोग्य विम्यासाठी अर्ज करायचा आहे. त्याचा मित्र करण हा विमा एजंट आहे. त्याच्याबरोबर तो याविषयी चर्चा करत आहे.
Hi Karan.
Hi, Sagar. So, you're back from the hospital now. Nice to see you. How are you feeling now?
I came from hospital a week ago. I'm fine now.
Thank God you are safe and good as before.
Yes, by God's grace, I'm okay now. Hey, but do you remember I have taken medical insurance policy from you?
Yes, of course.
I want to claim for insurance. I was in the hospital for 15 days.
Why did you not use the cashless scheme?
My brother told me not to go for it. So I paid my bills and now I want to go for it.
No problem. Have you kept all the invoices intact?
Yes, I have made a separate file for it. It has all my reports, medicine bills, hospital bills, everything.
Don't worry. I will look into the matter personally. You will get all the claimed amount.
How much time does it take?
I think you will get the check from the insurance company within 15 days.
I hope the case will be trouble-free.
Don't worry at all. I'm here to handle everything.
Thanks, Karan. I think I should leave now.
No way. I won't let you go without having dinner.
Some other day, please.
I will not agree to any reasons. We are celebrating for your health. Don't say no.
Okay. You will never change, huh? Let's go.
मोटारींचे दुकान. आपल्याला नवीन गाडी खरेदी करायची आहे तर त्यासाठी एखाद्या मोठ्या शोरूममध्ये आपण जाऊ. चला तर. राजला एक नवीन गाडी खरेदी करायची आहे. एका दुकानात तो विक्रेत्याबरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'm looking out for a new car.
We are the authorized dealer for Tata Motors. What's your choice, sir?
I would like to go for an Indica.
Very nice. Tata Motors has recently launched the new Indica Vista. Would you like to have a look at it?
Yeah, sure.
Let me tell you something about the car. This car has 1.3 liters quadrajet diesel engine with 4 cylinders and 5-speed manual transmission. Above all, you get power steering, power windows, and a powerful AC.
Looks interesting. What is the fuel tank capacity?
37 liters. You can go up to 20 kilometers in one single liter.
I want Arctic silver color. Is it available?
Definitely, sir. You will get it. Would you like to take a test drive first?
No, it's okay. I've already decided on this model.
Very well, sir. We'll complete the formalities then.
Sure.
The ex-showroom price is 4,99,661 rupees.
What are the payment terms?
Are you willing to take a loan for this one?
Yeah. Which bank are you attached with?
HDFC, sir. It has the lowest interest rate. All you have to do is pay the 1 lakh as the initial payment and the rest is easy installments.
I want minimum 5 years EMI scheme.
Okay, that can be done. For that, you need to complete these formalities.
When will I get the delivery?
Day after tomorrow for sure, sir.
I hope you will complete all the registration process.
Don't you worry, sir. You can trust me. Before I give you the car, everything will be cleared.
Do you need any papers for the loan formalities?
Yes, sir. There is one list. Here.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you the check and the other papers. But make sure I get the Arctic silver color.
Definitely, sir. You don't have to worry about anything. Just go for it.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Great day, sir. See you tomorrow as well. Thank you.
गाडी भाड्याने घेणे. चला तर पाहूया आणखी एक संभाषण. या महिलेला आपल्या कौटुंबिक सहलीसाठी वाहन भाड्याने हवे आहे. याचबाबत ती एका एजंट बरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Excuse me, do you have Qualis on hire?
Yes, madam. When do you want the car?
I want from Tuesday for 7 days.
Where are you taking the car?
I'm planning for a family tour to Goa. I need the car at least for 7 days.
AC or non-AC?
What are the charges for both the types?
AC is 11 rupees per kilometer and non-AC is 8 rupees per kilometer.
Is there a minimum run per day?
We will count 250 kilometers per day, ma'am. Driver charges would be 200 rupees extra.
I want a good car with powerful AC. Last time I hired a car from another agency and my total trip was spoiled. The AC was not working, we had an engine problem in between, and above all, the driver was so arrogant.
Don't you worry, madam. You will not face any problem with us.
Please make sure that you will send toolkit and stepney along with the car.
Sure, madam. Our driver is expert in car maintenance.
Okay, then please send the car on Tuesday at 7 p.m.
Please note down your address, madam. And also give me your mobile number. I'll give you a call once the car leaves the office.
How much is the advance payment?
You can pay me 5,000 rupees now and pay for the fuel on the way. We'll do the final calculations once you're back.
Fine. I will send the check tomorrow morning. Is it okay?
Fine, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you. But please don't forget the date and the time, okay?
रेल्वेबद्दलची चौकशी. आता आपण पाहणार आहोत रेल्वेबद्दलची चौकशी. राज रेल्वेविषयी चौकशी करत आहे.
Excuse me, what are the trains for Kolhapur?
There are 3 trains: Mahalakshmi Express, Sahyadri Express, and Koina Express.
All these trains are from Dadar?
No, Mahalakshmi Express is from Dadar and other trains are from CST.
At what time does the Mahalakshmi Express start from Dadar?
8 p.m.
Is there first class AC for this train?
No, it has only second class AC.
And at what time does it reach Meeraj station?
Morning 5.
Is there a connecting train to Belgaum?
Yes, you will get your connected train from Meeraj.
Do I have to book a seat separately?
No, you can buy direct ticket to Belgaum.
At what time will it reach Belgaum?
12 noon, sir.
Thank you. Where is the emergency reservation counter?
It's window number 12.
Will I get a reservation for today?
Try your luck. The train is always full. I'll suggest you should accept even if you get RAC.
Will it get confirmed on the train?
Mostly it gets confirmed, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
आरोग्यासंबंधी संभाषण. चला तर आज आपण आपल्या मित्रांबरोबर आरोग्यासंबंधी बातचीत करूया. मोना आणि नेहा चांगल्या मैत्रिणी आहेत. त्या दोघी आरोग्य आणि व्यायामाबाबत चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hey, hi Neha. Hi Mona. Look at you, so slim and trim. Thank you. My God, such a change since the last time. Yeah, I think we met after 3 months. Yeah, what's the magic? No magic, dear. I joined the yoga center 2 months back. So health conscious, huh? I think we all must be. You're right. Nowadays, we live such a stressful life. We must take care of ourselves. Not only our body, we must all take care of our mind too. And there is nothing better than yoga for this. You're right. I joined gym a month ago and now I'm bored. You don't need to go to the gym to do yoga. I went to a yoga center 2 months back and I did yoga over there. And now I practice yoga regularly at home. You've done the right thing. In gym, they gossip more than they exercise. I will take you to the yoga center if you wish. Oh, that'll be great. So, when are you willing to spend time on me? Tomorrow morning? Okay. What time? 5:30 a.m. That's fine. I'll come to your place to pick you up in the morning. I'll get my car. Okay. I'll wait for you. But don't make me wait for long. Of course not. I'll be on time. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow.
खेळाबद्दलची चर्चा. चला पाहूया खेळासंबंधी चर्चा. राज आणि नेहा चांगले मित्र आहेत. ते दोघे खेळांबाबत चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hi Neha.
Hey, hi Raj.
I got the VIP passes for tomorrow's 2020 cricket match. Would you like to join me?
India's match.
Yeah, it's against Australia.
I don't like the 2020 game. It's so fast and the players don't even get a chance to show their real talent.
But it's exciting and it just finishes in 3 hours.
So you prefer the game to a movie?
Not like that. I love cricket.
Me too, but I like test matches more.
Come on. 5 days of game with no result. It's just a waste of time.
I don't watch full day. I just watch the highlights.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
Of course, Sachin. I just love to watch his batting.
I like Brian Lara Moore. The flow of runs from his bat is an experience to watch.
I only watch the game in which India is involved.
I make no injustice to any country. I'm on the side of the game, not any specific country. Anyways, being an Indian, I always want India to win.
But why go to the stadium? We can watch the match on TV.
No way. There is minimum cricket and maximum advertisements on TV. Have you ever watched the cricket match in a stadium?
No, not yet.
Then come with me tomorrow. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Hey, but tomorrow Asia Cup hockey final is there. And India has entered unbeaten into the finals.
Do you watch hockey matches?
Of course, yes. It is our national game.
I like it too, but cricket is my first love.
So you go and enjoy yourself tomorrow and I'll watch the hockey match. And we'll watch the highlights together.
As you wish. Bye. I have my classes to attend. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
स्नेहसंमेलनातील संभाषण. तर स्नेहसंमेलनाला जायचं का? राज आणि करण अनोळखी आहेत. ते दोघे एकमेकांना संमेलनात भेटले आहेत. ते आपापसात सर्वसामान्य चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hi, I'm Raj.
Hi, I'm Karan. Nice to meet you. You are from?
I'm from Mumbai. How about you?
I'm from Delhi itself. So, nice party, huh?
Yeah. After every conference, such parties arranged by the organizers.
That's nice. You know, during the seminars, you hardly get to know each other. And at such parties, you make new business friends.
True, very true. So what's your business?
I'm into garment export. You?
I represent some prestigious brands in India.
That's nice. Do you attend these seminars every year?
Mostly. It's very essential in our business.
So, how long are you in Delhi?
I'll be leaving by tomorrow night.
How about lunch?
Oh, no such formalities, please.
Come on, it's my pleasure. You are in our Delhi. And next time when I come to Mumbai, I'll force you to treat me.
Of course.
So it's done then. I will pick you up tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'll call you from the lobby, okay? What's your room number?
It's 1250. I'll wait for your call. Thank you.
Definitely. You know what? I need to go. I'm getting a bit late. My wife's waiting for me.
Okay. Nice
Okay?
meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, man.
Bye.
Take
Good
care.
night. Good night.